What is going on, my mighty fine people? Aloha on this Aloha Friday. Chilling at the Navy stand, about to get ready to go get some food. You see, you got people over here, got the trade winds blowing. It's a great day. Shout out to everyone who going to SneakerCon in DC. Hope everyone have a great time. Most importantly, be safe. Got the sister 313 going up there. Hope she had a safe flight. This is part 3 of the 3K giveaway. So I'm gonna extend it to Monday. Then we're gonna make sure everybody get a chance to get in where they fit in at. And then we're gonna so cutoff will be Monday. Probably do the reveal either Monday, Tuesday, so I can go ahead and get this stuff out. And like I said, don't fret. So the first video is for the men, the second video is for the females and kids or cakey, and then the third video is unisex for everybody. And if it's not your side and you win it, you want to get in, you can always take it and trade it. It's gonna have the receipt, because that's how I roll. You can get what you want to get and all that good stuff. Pretty much no rules to this giveaway. Just pretty much, if you want to, go check out my fam's different channels. If you like it, go ahead and consider subscribing, which will be Princess Fame, Pam M, 313 Retro Queen, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. Because next week we're gonna get ready to start Who Has the Heat Season 3. Now enough talking, let's get into this review. Okay, we got an Air Max 270, size 10, Fisher colorway, red orbit, black vast gray. Suggested retail price, 150 of them things. I'm trying to give people shoes that's different. Everybody got Jordans, but then you got, like I said, you got Prestos, you got the 720s, now you got the Air 270. As always, got the receipt in here, so on deck, so no games are being played. You got your sticker-ricker up there, and you got your regular white paper. We know how we do it, like so. It's gonna be plain Jane, straight to the point, a mini bam, and there you go. Underneath, you can see you got Air Max. Then you got that big back that ass up air bubble on the back, right? As you can see, you got your red here, black traction. Very dope shoe. Coming around on the toe box, you got Max. Then you kind of got like this painted material here with your swoosh. You got your netted material, stretched netted material here. You got your lace loops, laces, and then spectacular. You got that red. Then you got Air 270 with your check. Coming on the side, you got more room for breathability. You got your check here as well, Air 270. Down here on the mud guard, it's all white, going into the shiny black. And you can see the air bubble kind of got like this red faded into the black. As you turn it on to the rear, you see you got the 270 with the air latched in. You got your pull tab, Air Max 270 with the swoosh on it. Coming around on the medial side, you got 270, and you got another swoosh here as well. But like I said, you got this stretchy material for breathability. You can go true to size on these shoes. And inside, you see you got just a retail price, 150. 10. This one got a regular plastic shoe tree, not like Jordan where they got all the stuff rolled on it. So like I said, the thing or the premise of this giveaway, try to give people different shoes so you can see what's out there outside of Jordan, because everybody already know Jordans are dope. So on the little lit meter, I would give this shoe about a 4.4 out of 5. 4.4 out of 5. So you guys leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about the shoe. And like I said, 3 different videos, so you can leave a comment on this video, say you in, then that way I will know you want to be considered for the drawing. Do it next week, and then you get this stuff out as soon as possible. So thanks for watching my video. Consider hitting that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Y'all already know. Hashtag brick by brick. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.